This is my ultimate cottage pie with a crispy, cheesy, tumbled potato topping, Aberdeen Angus beef mince, and a little secret ingredient. I'm going to show you how to make this belter of a family meal for under £12 with M&S food. Come on, let's get started. I've got these lovely new season gold potatoes. I've cut them up into quarters, you can see there, and all this does, it speeds up the cooking process. I'm not going to mince my words here. This really is incredible quality Aberdeen Angus beef mince from M&S. M&S can trace all of its beef back to the individual farm it came from. And if you're making a cottage pie, the mince really is the star of the show, so why not use the best? Mince is browning off nicely, time to prep the veggies. I've done my carrots and onions. The mushrooms, it's not your normal thing to go in a cottage pie. I'm chopping them up super fine, you won't even see them. This is like a hidden veggies cottage pie, a great way to get the kids eating a bit more veg. And then we just want to lightly crush these potatoes. You can use a fork or a masher. And now I'm going to have a great time. We're going to put some cheese in there. This is remarkable value, expertly sourced British cheddar cheese. So we've got the carrots and the onions are starting to caramelize. So we're going to add in those diced mushrooms. Mushrooms are cooking down nicely. So we're going to go back in with that beautiful M&S Aberdeen Angus beef mince. Tin of chopped tomatoes going in. Now it's time for our secret ingredient. It's our cook with M&S beef gravy. First time I put this in a cottage pie, it was an absolute game changer. You've got to try it. Okay, so our sauce is thickening up. It's been simmering down. I'm gonna have a little taste. That is the perfect filling for our ultimate cottage pie. Into our dish we go. And now we're just gonna tumble those on the top. Time to have a great time. Bit more cheese on top. We're going to save a little bit of time, pop that under a really hot grill, just until it's golden and bubbly. I mean, come on, what is not to like about that? My ultimate cottage pie with those crispy, cheesy potatoes, that rich Aberdeen Angus beef mince filling. That has got to be the ultimate family dinner, and you can feed your family for under £12 with M&S food with this winner of a recipe. Over to you. Happy with that? Come on.